two things, and then I'm going to talk about the 3 reasons I stay with SBC. Because when I joined SBC, I worked a full-time job. It's not like I was in marketing and going from one thing, looking for the best thing. I just wanted to be able to make a little bit of extra money, you know, living paycheck to paycheck. You know, anytime you can make a couple $100, you know, $200 extra a month is a lot for most people. I mean, that pays an electric bill, might pay a car payment. But, so it was a weight loss product, that was number 1, and number 2, a chance to make some extra money. That's not the reason I stayed with SBC. I stayed with SBC, number 1, the product. The product is amazing. I've seen it change so many lives. I've seen my 86, I think he is now. My dad, he keeps getting older, but it doesn't feel like it. He's 86 now, I believe, and I've seen him lose about 40 pounds. I've seen his stomach go from looking like it's gonna pop all my life. You know, I used to worry about my dad's stomach's gonna pop open. It's, you know, flat. His sugar levels are better than ever because he's been able to lose this weight, and he never was able to control his appetite until he started taking Skinny Fiber. He grew up in the Depression, so, you know, they ate muskrat and stuff like that, anything that they could catch. So he actually taught us to eat everything on our plate. So I'm the type of person that if it's there, I'm going to eat it, I'm not going to let it go to waste, and that's actually helped me. Skinny Fiber's helped me with that too. But being able to see my dad finally get healthier, lose that weight, and just being able to see so many people change their lives and have confidence. I mean, look at Courtney. You know, the first time I met her, she was 308 pounds. She was so timid, so quiet. But I mean, now that girl, she's, you know, she makes videos. She's the most popular person on Facebook. You know, the product has totally changed people's lives, giving them confidence and better health. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the people. I mean, you guys are awesome. I mean, old Kathy Little sitting there right there. I spent a week with her in Islands, Utah, the first part of this year. We just had such a great time, and she's like a sister to me. I met her like 2 years ago in Dallas, and then we spent some time together. It's just like, it's family. Sue Austin, you've been here from the start. Quiet little Sue, and she's still quiet, but I mean, she's awesome. She's Wiki Sue. Everybody goes to Sue. You know, I get misty talking about things here. I mean, Heather, you've been here, hula hoop girl. I mean, we've done a lot of, you know, hula hooping at some of these events, and you guys, you know, so many of you have been here from the start, and I mean, we just develop relationships, and we may not see each other for months, but when we do, it's like, you know, it's part of the family. And you know, family comes and goes, but you know, we're always family, we're always here for each other, and we're everybody's biggest cheerleaders. So number 2 is the people, it's you guys. And number 3 is the company, the comp plan, and Bing Linsky. I mean, he has given us a company that gives us an amazing pay plan. And that's helping so many people get out of debt. People who were on welfare, who now have bought their own homes. There's just so many wonderful success stories of how this has changed people's lives.